The name Generation came from our history in the building business. I'm a third generation home builder. My grandpa started his first company with my dad, and so we really felt like it spoke to our roots in the community and the home building industry here in Clark County. I grew up with my dad in the building business, and watching him build homes, work with clients, bring their dreams and their ideas to life, and delivering that dream home to them was something that was exciting to watch and really ignited that in me as well. And to take that and carry it through into what we do here at Generation, to really work with customers one-on-one to bring their ideas and their hopes and dreams into their home and deliver that is just, it's really satisfying, it's rewarding. One of the things I enjoy most about Generation is it's a family-run business, and we get to work together on a daily basis, and I think when our clients come in, they feel that. There's a closeness and a camaraderie and a bond here at Generation that we extend to all of our clients that we work with. I think our name also refers to that experience for our clients as well. We customize to every family's needs, so whether it's multi-gen living with 2 sets of families, or you've got a need for expanded office space or multiple bedrooms, whatever the situation may be, we're going to work with you on the design of your house to make sure it's customized for exactly how you're going to live in it. Although Generation is known for customization, the other thing we're known for is an extensive list of standard features in our houses. When you come into our model home, you're going to see things throughout the home that are not extra, you don't have to pay for. And when you're making those selections with our design team, you're going to have 20 wood floors to choose from, dozens of different slabs to choose from, just a huge variety of things that we worked to include standard on our home so you don't have to upgrade in order to get what you want. I'm Aaron with Generation Homes Northwest. We invite you to visit our Model Home Center. We're looking forward to talking with you about building your new home.